All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to MS45 e-learning platform. We have one interscience question here. It is very tricky. Yeah, you can meet it in your final exams or one of your integrated science exams. So let us solve it together. A car starts from rest and attains a velocity of 40 meters per second in 20 seconds. It maintains this velocity for 30 seconds and comes to rest in 25 seconds. A. Sketch the velocity time graph for the motion. B. Calculate the acceleration of the body. And C. Calculate the total distance covered by the body. So guys, we are going to solve it. Solution. Yeah. A. Sketch the velocity time graph for the motion. So A, we are sketching the velocity time graph for the motion. So let our graph be like this. Yeah, and then here you know that it is y-axis, right? So velocity time graph, due to that the y-axis become the velocity. So you write your v and then you bring the unit meter per second. Please don't forget to bring the unit. And then our x-axis will be the time, that is t in seconds, right? Yeah, and then we know that here in the graph here is equals to 0, right? Yes. So a car starts from rest and attains a velocity of 40 meters per second in 20 seconds. So a car starts from rest, it will start from 0 here, rest, and attain a velocity of 40 meters per second. So let's assume here be our 40 meters per second, since here is the velocity, right? Yeah. And in 20 seconds, so here will be our time, that is 20. We are going, it maintains this velocity for 30 seconds, this same velocity, it maintain it for 30 seconds. Yeah, it maintain it for 30 seconds. So t, you add 30 plus the 20, right? So the time, we already have 20 here plus this 30 seconds, giving us 50 seconds. So write your 50 seconds and comes to rest in 25 seconds. So when something is coming to rest, it will come down like this. Yeah, it starts from rest and then attain the velocity and then comes to rest. So in 25 seconds, so 25 plus 50 will give us 75. Yeah, so this is the graph of the motion. We are done with A. We come to B. Calculate the acceleration of the body, and we know that acceleration is equals to velocity over time. Acceleration is equals to change in velocity with respect to time, that is t. So let acceleration be equals to A, and then change in velocity, we have initial velocity 0b u equals to u, final velocity, that is b, equals to v, which is 40, and then our t, time, be equals to 20 when v is equals to 40, right? So 20 seconds meter per second. Yeah, so acceleration will be equals to change in velocity, that is final velocity minus initial velocity with respect to time. So to be equals to, A will be equals to v, that is 40 here, minus initial velocity, which is 0, minus 0, all over time, which is 20. So our A will be equals to this one will come here to be equals to 2. So therefore, our acceleration here will be equals to 2 meter per second squared. I hope you get it. Yeah, so that is it. You write it in a statement form after that. Right, so we are going to see. We are going to see. We are going to see. So C, calculate the total distance covered by the body. Please listen attentively. You see that the distance of the moving body has formed one particular shape over here, right? The distance of the moving body, the part of the moving body has formed one particular shape, that is trapezium shape. It has formed a trapezium shape. Since the movement of the body has formed a trapezium shape, the distance of the moving body has formed a trapezium shape, and then we should calculate the total distance covered by the body here on the x-axis. Then the total distance covered by the body is equals to the area of this trapezium shape. I hope you understand. Yes, so the total distance, that is total distance, will be equals to area, will be equals to area of this trapezium shape, area of this trapezium shape, right? So if that be the case, then let's assume this length will be equals to A, and then this length here will be equals to H, and then here will be equals to B, right? And then we have formula for finding area of a trapezium, that is half times height times A plus B, right? Yeah, and given our H here will be equals to, that is the length here will be equals to 40, right? We have 40, and the length here, A, that is A, will be equals to 50 minus 20, which is 50 minus 20 for us to get the A. So 50 minus 20 will give us 30, and then our length here from here to here, that is B, will be equals to 75, right? So therefore our total distance will be equals to half, let's just do substitution, HB 40 times, you bring your A which is 30 over here, plus B which is 75, right? Yes, so bracket first, 30 plus 75 will give us 105, right? And you know that 2 can go to itself, 1 and go to 40, 20. So 20 times our CD will be equals to 20 times 105. So therefore our CD will be equals to 2100 meters. Please don't forget to bring the unit, which is meters, right? So therefore the total distance covered by the body is 2100 meters, right? Yeah, please, after solving it, don't forget to write the answer in the statement form like this. Yeah, so guys, we are done. We are done with the questions. We are solving questions at the same time teaching as well. Yeah, that's why you see workings like this. If you don't understand anything, make sure you ask it from the comment section. Thanks for watching.